Hello guys, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we are going to talk on how to set face lock in Android phone. It is a very cool and convenient feature that allows you to unlock your phone with just your beautiful face. So, without further ado, let's dive into it. The first thing you need to do, guys, is go to your setting menu. Alright, so let's open our phone here, and we can open our setting menu when we're going to search for the setting, this one. And also we can open the setting menu when we are going to swipe down our phone in the notification and click this icon. And it is your settings. Alright. So since we are going to set a face lock in Android phone, let us look for privacy and security. So let's scroll down our phone here. Alright, so there it is, password and security. So all we need to do is just to click this, guys. Simple as that. Alright, so once we click it, we can now see here a lock screen password, face, fingerprint, and privacy password. Alright, so again, since we are going to use or to set the face lock in Android phone, let's click this face, okay, so that we can enroll our face in the phone. Alright, so let's click it, face. Alright, so now it says here enroll our face. For best result, hold the device 20 centimeter to 50 centimeter from your face in an environment that is neither too bright nor too dim. Alright, so to enroll our face, let us click this continue. And let's try. Okay, so let's try to enroll our face. And once it's done, it says here, all set. You can now unlock the phone with your face. Alright, so let's click this done and tap this screen unlock and app lock. Alright, so let's tap this and there you go. This is on how to set face lock in Android phone. So if you want to know on how to set face lock in Android phone, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to set face lock in Android phone, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!